guys, mag-check-in na tayo dito sa Spirit Airlines. Dito kami ngayon sa MCI Airport guys. Yan, wala pang masyadong tao. And then yun sa kabila is Southwest. Dito yun, Spirit. Yan guys, walang masyadong tao dito ngayon. Maaga kami. Maganda na yung maaga kaysa malate. Ayan, tapos na kami dumaan sa TEC guys. Hanapin na namin yung gate. B37. Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa MCI Airport. Papunta kami ng Las Vegas. Ayan, walang masyadong tao ngayon guys. Oh. Yung eroplano pa lang sasakyan namin is Spirit Airlines. So, punta kami sa gate B57. Dito pala sa MCI Airport guys, dito sa loob meron silang city market. So, pwede ka ditong mamili. Ayan. Marami rin mga restaurant dito. Yeah, may food na. Ayan, may mga kainan dito guys. Oh. Tapos maraming mga ano dito, mabibili nyo na mga pasalubong. Tapos syempre dahil yung Kansas is known sa barbecue, maraming barbecue restaurant dito. Ayan o. Okay, hanapin na natin yung ating gate. Ayan, maganda dito sa loob o. Medyo bago pa kasi itong MCI Airport guys. Pero maliit lang to siya na airport. So yung flight namin is around 8 pa. So ngayon nasa 6:30 pa lang. So maaga pa kami. Maaga pa. Pwede pa tayo magtingin-tingin dito ng mabibili. Ito yung in-order namin guys. Oh, combo born ends. Sarap niya. Meron siyang sausage sa ibabaw. Pero nandito yung born end. Super tender. Tapos may kasamang bread. Tapos mag-order kami ng beans. Ang sarap guys. Very tender. Try nyo to. Nandito rin sa loob ng airport. The name is Stockyard. Sarap. Very tender. Tikman natin itong sausage din. Ito yung sausage nito. Masarap din siya, pero mas gusto ko itong born end. Yung isa busy oh. Ako, kain na ako. Sarap. Lalo na yung beans. Ayan na guys. Boarding na tayo. Spirit Airlines. Mahal yung luggage nila guys. Binayaran namin, I think it's 78 per person yung luggage namin. natin tong Push Burger guys dito sa area. Sa loob ng casino. Ito na lang kasi yung open dito. Dahil ano lang, alas 11 na ng gabi. So, try natin to. Mukha namang masarap. Ayan guys, ang laki ng burger na to guys. Ayan. Tapos fries. Ito yan sa may Push Burger. Kain tayo. Yan, ang ganda dito guys. Malinis talaga dito. Nililinisan nila. Pasok tayo dyan sa loob ng Bellagio guys. Maganda kasi yung ano nila, yung parang garden. Garden sa loob. Dito yan sa loob ng Bellagio guys. Yan o. O diba, ang ganda dito sa loob ng Bellagio. Punta lang tayo dito sa garden nila. Yan yung noon nila dito. Yan o, tingnan yung ceiling. Ang ganda. Rolex. Yeah. Yeah, every season they change it. Ito na yung garden nila guys. Dito sa loob ng Bellagio. So every season pinapalitan nila yan. So ngayon ang ganda, flamingo. Mga real plants to guys Hindi yan fake, mga real yan. Pasok tayo dito sa loob. Wow, ang ganda. Pati mga halaman nila guys, maganda. Pero ito siya, hindi ito siya real. Pero itong nasa baba, tunay yan. Wow. Yan, ilaw ng water. Wow, ang ganda. Very artistic yung nag-design dito. Tapos merong kainan dyan, breakfast. Saddles. Masarap siguro breakfast yan. Try natin dyan mag-breakfast, guys. Magkuha muna tayo dito ng video. Maganda pala yung combination ng mga flower na ganito. Pero mga mahal to. Ganda. Hindi nakakaumay sa mata. Tapos may mga place dyan na mas shoppingan. Wow, yan ang ganda. Wow, every details is very real, guys. Talaga, oh, ginastusan talaga nila yan, oh. Ang ganda talaga. Yan, oh, gusto ko yung ganyang halaman. Ano pa yung halaman? Meron yan sa work namin. Yan, may naglilinis doon. Maaga pa kasi dito, guys. Para tong ano, yung cheese na ano. Wow, ayan oh, ang unique. Very pretty talaga. Yan, parang naglalaro ka ng cheese board. Tapos may chicken doon. Cute. Ganda talaga dito sa Bellagio. Ito yung isa sa pinupuntahan ng mga tao dito, guys. Wow, this is so cute. Ayan, oh. Wow, that's really cool. Yan yung ano, zebra nagpapahinga. Grabe, ang ganda ng garden, guys. Ewan ko nung ginagawa nila dito pagkatapos ng season. Tinatapo na siguro nila, tapos palitan na naman nila ng bago. Wow, every details ng mga halaman ang ganda. May nakita akong bougainvillea. Ayan, oh. May bougainvillea din pala sila. ganda talaga dito, guys. Ayan, may chicken dyan. Oh, ayan, chicken. Nagpapahinga yung chicken. Tapos ang ganda ng mga flowers, guys. Meron pala kaming yung halaman na yun, parang tulad sa amin. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, ang cute din, oh. This one is full too. It's like a big frame. These are flowers. Yeah. Wow. What it say? Can you read the words?
I don't think it's words, Rose.
Ah, okay. I thought it's a word. Wow, even the flowers with papas in it. I like the way they combine. Okay.
I think it's close
Huh?
to just the flowers.
Ah. Wow, it look pretty. See, decline.
What is that? What are those? I've seen those before.
Yeah, we have that before, but it died. We can buy that in Walmart.
Isn't that one we tried to buy one time at True
Yeah.
Value and it sold out? It's like
Yeah.
from Florida and it's the only one they had.
Yeah, that's
I really,
the one.
really wanted this.
I know, right? It's
We went
pretty.
back to Gladstone to buy it. It was gone.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. They have
They
more.
grow
See?
really fast.
They like light. Wow, I really like the plants. It's pretty.
Those little yellow ones.
I know, right? This. That's like a mom's. I like this one.
Look at those.
I like this one.
They
See?
look like trumpets, something, right?
Yeah, it's a trumpet. Ang ganda ng mga halaman nila dito, guys. Ha?
Picture stand right here.
Okay, pasok tayo dito, guys. Dito tayo mag-breakfast today. Wow, I like that one too. This is like a lemon.
It looks like it.
No, it's not lemon. Yeah, it's real. Ang ganda dito sa loob, guys, ng saddle. Dito tayo magbe-breakfast today. Hello. Yan, i-guide niya tayo. Ang ganda dito, guys. Dito tayo mag-breakfast today. Ayan, oh. Very formal. Okay, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Saddle. Sa may Bellagio. Dito kami ng breakfast. Ayan, oh. It's a huge breakfast. Tapos may kasamang toast. And then yan sa kanya, toast. That's a toast. What you call that, si Papa? What kind of toast?
French.
French toast? Yeah. Favorite niya yan. French toast. Ito namang in-order ko. Wow, that's a huge one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, tapos mayroong syrup. Yan. Tapos may juice niya. Tapos ako, nag-order ako ng coffee. Ito, meron pa ditong coffee. Okay, let's eat, guys. Dito kami nag-breakfast, guys, sa Saddle. Ito yung in-order ko. Ano to siya? Egg na may hash brown, tapos bacon, tapos may kasamang toast. Yan sa kanya naman. French toast. Let's eat. Ang ganda dito, guys, oh. Tapos nandyan yung pool nila dyan sa likod, oh. Hindi lang natin masyadong makita kasi may pool. Pero ang ganda dito, guys, sa may Saddle Bellagio. Malapit siya sa may garden nila. Okay, kain na tayo. Saddle. Ayan, ang galing ng chocolate nilang, guys, oh. Ayan, it's raining. Galing lang sa pinakataas. Ito naman is Okay guys, we continue our walking since we already eat expensive
Still tracking around?
breakfast. Yeah,
Yes.
I didn't.
Keeps
Turn
going. Doesn't
off.
stop.
Yeah.
Sometimes it stops.
Look, Papa, see? They have a nice pool. Wow, all the way there, they have another pool there too.
Mm-hmm.
This is really cool. Oh, this is nice. No wonder my friends, they always stay here because it's so cool, right?
Cool. They have
A lot of
Tables
tables to eat around here. This is nice when you want to read your book or do your computer stuff. Look here. You want to see? Right there. Come here. Come here. Wow. They have a lot of...
fountains.
Wow, this is so pretty here. Ang ganda dito sa loob ng Bellagio, guys. It's nice. This is a big place. Oh, it's all the way. I think they have more than one.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they have a big one. Oh, okay. So they have a big one and they have a small one too. All right, they're the big one, and then the one is kind of fountain only.
One sitting on way over here, way away
Uh,
from it.
if you,
That's what you want to just want to read or just relax. You
yeah,
don't care about
just
the pool.
relax. Yeah. If you wanna.
Shaded
go.
a lot too.
Wow.
The shade right there. You don't
Yeah, that's perfect for if you wanna read a book only.
God, it's huge.
Beautiful. Wow, this is a long elevator. Ang ganda guys, oh. That's neat. I like their glass design. Okay, dito tayo ngayon sa Planet Hollywood, guys. Wow, look at that. Nice view. See, from here you can see the view. See? Yan. Kita nyo yung view dito. Yeah. Planet Hollywood. Dito na tayo sa Planet Hollywood, guys. Ganda yung weather ngayon. Pasok tayo diyan sa loob ng Planet Hollywood.
What?
Right there, 75%. Let's look. Ayan guys, that's all 75%. $13. Here's the Gordon Ramsay burger, guys.
Head south on Las Vegas Boulevard south toward Las Vegas Boulevard overpass.
Wynn. The other hotel is Wynn.
That's an expensive hotel, right?
Yeah.
Very.
Ang ganda dito sa guys, oh, palazzo. Ang init kaya ngayon. Dito na tayo sa Seafood City, guys. Yan yung Grill City. Tapos, andyan naman yung Crispy Town. Andyan yung groceryhan dyan. Yung Jollibee pala nasa likuran natin. Yung Jollibee nandoon sa unahan. Ito yung lunch namin dito, guys. Dinuguan, sisig, rice, saka chicken and pork barbecue. Tapos, meron silang libreng soup. Dito yan sa Grill City. Siyempre, merong rice. Ito yung lunch namin ngayon, guys. Dito sa Grill City. Dinuguan. Tapos, merong pork sisig, saka barbecue. Chicken and pork barbecue. Saka, merong rice dito. Dito yan sa may Grill City sa Las Vegas. Kain tayo, guys. Ito palang sausahan sa barbecue. Nagutom na ito isa ko. Maliin. Kasi naglakad kami kaya nagutom. Okay, kain tayo. Ang daming mga sabon dito, guys, na pang paputi, pang paganda, pang pakinis. Hanap tayo yung ano. Hinahanap ko yung ano, Habibi. Pero ito yung gamit ko lagi noon, guys, oh. Mitas. Maganda to siya. Ito pang paputi. Yan, Glota. Yan, dami nilang Glota na soap, oh. Pang paputi. Sinong gustong magpaputi? Mina. Ayan, mag-Jollibee tayo, guys. Dito yan sa Las Vegas. Ayan, guys, may hook yan. Dito tayo sa Galenos. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys, sa Grill City. Tapos nakapamili na rin tayo. Kahit konti ng Jollibee. So, mag-antay lang kami sa aming Uber, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching. Ito pala yung nabili ko doon sa, ano guys, so, sa Seafood City. Meron tayong Jollibee. Chicken and rice lang yan. Ito yung rice natin. Tapos, mango peach pie. Tapos, yung Hopia Obi Langka. Hindi ko pa na-try itong langka. Tapos may Obi flavor. And then puto bongbong. Gusto ko yung puto bongbong. Pero kailangan kainin natin yan agad. So ito Obi Hopia Obi Langka. Masarap siguro to, guys. Oh. Okay, yan yung aming dinner mamaya. Kung hindi pa siya, o kakain na naman sa labas. So, yan lang, guys. Tapos, nakabili rin ako ng Las Vegas hot. Oh. Mura lang yan. $4.99. Nag-sale kasi. See? A lot of garden. Ano that one? The touch. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Okay, guys, dito kami sa Viking. Ito yung in-order namin. Shrimp saka crawfish yan na may corn. Tapos nag-order na lang ako nito ng malaking bread na po. Ang init pa. Tapos, ayan, guys. Meron yung cheese, clam chowder. Ito, mainit pa talaga. So, ang laki talaga ng bread, guys. Kaya hindi na ako nag-order ng corn dito. Okay, let's try their